different groups or atoms attached called as the chiral carbon atom. Chiral carbon atom or molecule in a molecule is marked with a asterisk means star. Here in 2-chlorobutane, 2 carbon atom is the chiral carbon atom. When molecule contains one chiral atom, it acquires unique property. Such a molecule cannot superimpose perfectly on its mirror image. Is called as the chiral molecule. Non-superimposable mirror images. Here 2-chlorobutane. There are the 4 different groups are attached to that carbon atom. That carbon is the chiral carbon atom. Here both the carbon atoms, chlorine atom here at the right hand side, and in this example there is a left hand side. That is the mirror image to each other. That images are called as the non-superimposable mirror images. Chirality. The relationship between a chiral molecule and its mirror image is similar to the relationship between left and right, and therefore it is called as the handedness or the chirality. Chir means the hand. For example, we have to know that the both two hands of a man, that is the both the two hands are not same, that are the both sides are the different, like this. There are that images are called as the chirality of the molecule. Here optical isomerism, stereoisomerism, in which isomers are different, and in this arrangement, spatial arrangement of groups atoms around a chiral atom is called as the optical isomerism. Optical activity. Here the optical isomers differ from each other in terms of a measurable property is called optical activity. We have to know that the ordinary light. The light consists of a electromagnetic waves having the oscillations of electric and magnetic field in all possible planes perpendicular to direction of propagation of light is called as the ordinary light. Here plane polarized light. When ordinary light is passed through Nichols prism, oscillations only in one plane emerge out. Such a light having oscillations only is one plane perpendicular to direction of propagation of light is known as the plane polarized light. Here there are the in beam of light different directions of a light, ordinary light, and when they are passed through this Nichols prism, there is a direction it changes, and only one direction of this light, that is called as the plane polarized light. The Nichols prism is a special type of a prism made from the pieces of a calcite ore. Optical activity. The plane of polarization rotates either to the right clockwise or the left anti-clockwise. This property of a substance by which it rotates plane of polarization of incident plane polarized light is known as the optical activity. The compound which rotates the plane of polarized light are called optical active compounds, and those compounds does not rotates are called as the optically inactive compounds. That organic compounds, there are the two types of rotations are shown, that are the dextrorotatory compounds and levorotatory compounds. The dextrorotatory compounds which rotates the plane of polarized light towards the right is called as the dextrorotatory compounds that are denoted by the symbol D or the plus sign. Levorotatory, a compounds which rotates plane of polarized light towards left is called as the levorotatory, that are denoted by the sign minus. Optical isomerism in which isomeric compounds have different optical activity is known as the optical isomerism. Enantiomers, here superimposable and non-superimposable mirror images, here that are the non-superimposable mirror images. Both the heads are the different sides. That images are called as the non-superimposable mirror images, that both the two heads are not one each other. Here also two images are not same, that are called as the non-superimposable mirror images. Here chairs are the same, when they are each other they like the same, that are called as the superimposable mirror images. Enantiomers, in optical isomers which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other are called enantiomers or enantiomorphs or optical antipodes. They have identical physical and chemical properties. Racemic mixture, an equimolar mixture of enantiomers, dextrorotatory and levorotatory, is called a racemic mixture, that are designated as the DL or the by plus minus representation of configuration of molecules, that are represented by the two formulae, Fischer projection formula, that are the cross formula. Two representations are used to represent the configuration of chiral carbon and the three-dimensional structures of optical isomers on plane of paper. Here Fischer projection formula, chiral carbon at the center and the four different groups around this chiral carbon atom. In this conversion of the vertical and the horizontal lines, that two atoms are on the plane of paper and the chlorine and hydrogen are the bonds below the plane of paper. That formula is called as the Fischer projection formula. Wedge formula, when tetrahedral carbon atom is to be present in the plane of paper, all the four bonds at this carbon cannot be lie in the same plane. The bonds in the plane of paper are represented by the normal lines of the bonds projecting about the plane of papers are represented by the solid wedges. That two bonds are the present on the paper below the plane, that are represented by the dotted lines, and the thick line that are represents the above the plane. That formula is called as the wedge formula, which are denoted for the tetrahedral carbon atoms. Next, we have to study the chemical properties. In chemical properties, first reaction, that is the laboratory test of haloalkanes. In laboratory test, phenalkyl halides reacts with the nucleophiles, that is the OH minus. In presence of heat, it gives the ROH plus X minus, that is the when this reaction takes place for the detection of haloalkanes. Then when the mixture is acidified by adding the dilute nitric acid and silver nitrate solution is added, a precipitate of silver halide is formed, which confirms presence of halogen in the original organic compound, that is the Ag plus aqueous reacts with the halide ion. We have to get that the ppt of a silver halide.